Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we're going to solve another coolest question, verifying an alien dictionary. Dude, this question is asked too much time in Facebook. So this is a Facebook lovely question. So basically, what the question is saying like in an alien language. Surprisingly, they also use English lowercase. Oh, that's weird because like I thought aliens use binary language. Anyways, but possibly in different order. Okay, so they don't use in a similar order like us. The order of the alphabet is some permutations of lowercase letter. All right. Given a sequence of words written in alien language and the order of the alphabet written in the true. Okay. So basically, guys, what the question is saying like we have given a word something like hello Leetcode. Okay, and the order in that like we understand in this one and the aliens understand in this one. Okay. So what is saying like let's just look at this example. Okay, just carefully look at this example. It's saying like we have hello Leetcode. Okay, so if you look at the order, so what our order of alphabet is in English, our order is A B C D E F G H I J K and so on till Z. Okay, let me just write there one. So there one is H. So H come in the first, then L come in the first, then A come in the first, B C D E F G, and afterward note H I, yeah, I J and so on till Z. Okay, so that's their this is our order, this is their order. Okay, so basically what's saying like is saying like as H comes before L in this language, then the sequence is sorted. Okay, so what is saying, so like for example, if we look at over here, we compare H with this L. We are comparing H hello with this Leetcode. So hello first character, as we are comparing with Leetcode first character L. So it means they are sorted because H is coming before L. Yes, it's true. Okay, now we check on the second one. Second one is E comes before E. So E is they both are same, so it's okay. Now we are on the second one, third one. The L comes before E. Yes, L comes before E because if you look at over here, our L is over here and the E is over here. So it means it is sorted. So till now it is sorted. Now we are on this one L. So L is comparing with again C. It's saying like L's come before C. Yes, L comes before C. If you look at over here, the C is over here, and the L is over here. Okay, and the finally O and O. So O and O, they both are on the same. So like it ranks something over here, so they both are same. And after that, it's N. So we don't have to check further on. Okay, so it means like they all are in sorted. So the so according to their character indexes, they all are in the perfect order. Okay, so we don't have to worry about anything, and we have to return true for this. So we have to return true for this because they are all okay. Now just look at further like something like false test cases. Okay, so we will work for now false one. Okay, so let me just erase all the things from over here, and we will look at the false one. So they are saying like it's world row. Okay, and the order is world A B C D E F. So I will just write. So first of all, world O R L D, world come, then A B C D E F till Z. Okay, so that's their orders because like according to their language, W comes like in our language, A comes in the first, in their language W come in the first. Okay, in this example. Okay, so they are saying like let's just check these one. We are comparing world with world. Okay, so W comes before, or like till now they both are similar. They all of them threes are similar. Okay, now after D, we are comparing D with L. So we are comparing D with L. So we see D comes after L and the L comes before. The L comes first, the D comes afterward. Like you know, we are checking this one. Let me just change it color yellow. So you see, we are comparing D with L. We are comparing D with L. So what's happening over here? So D is coming afterwards and L is coming before. So it means like it's failing the test condition. If you see over here, D comes after L in this language. So hence the sequence is unsorted. That's why it's failing. That's why it's come false over here. Once we see like a word is not sorted properly, we will simply return false for that. We don't do anything else. Okay. Let me erase everything. And let's just check for the another one. So this final one, Apple app. So let me just type. So the sequence, let me type our sequence. Our sequence is A B C D E F G H I till Z, and their sequence is similar to us. I think in this one, yeah, their sequence is similar to us. So A B C D E F G H I till similar to Z. So it is similar to us. Okay. So now what we'll do, we will check Apple. So till app, this app is completely similar to this one. So they are both similar because if you see like it's it's doing perfectly. But you know, now we are checking L with an empty one. We are checking L with an empty one. So let's say like we have L and we are checking with the empty string. So the empty string, so like you know, the empty string, they mentioned that the empty string has they mention over here. If you look at over here, so defined as the blank character, the empty character is has the more priority, like is the less one, is the less one. So it will come first according to lexicographical order. So what is lexicographical order? So lexicographical is nothing, is just a dictionary order. The dictionary order, like in which like A B C D comes. So A come first, then B come first, then C come first, like that. So first A, then B, then C, like this. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, like how we are doing. So now we are over here. So now you will see Apple and app. So Apple, this Apple app is similar to this one, but we are comparing L with the empty one. So this is not a valid case. So for that we will return false for that as well. Okay, I hope the question institution is clear to you, like what we are doing. If it's still not, don't worry. When I'm solving the code, you will definitely gonna understand like how we are doing. So ladies and gentlemen, let's start solving this code. Okay. So let me just erase everything from over here and let's just start. So what the first thing is, so the first thing we'll do, I will create one array of 26 alphabet, but like you know, according to in our English language we have 26 characters. So I will create that one over here. So I will select into English English character. So this is our English character. Okay, and how much elements it has? It will have new, it is size of 26, because you know. Okay, so now what I will do, I will work for it. So I will try to scan every word. So for that I will do, and I initialize I will 0, I less than order dot length. So just wait and watch what I will do over here. Order dot length. Okay, I plus plus. Fine. Now what I will do, I will just simply say English. Okay, so English alphabet. So this is my English alphabet. Okay, so in that I'm checking order dot char at I minus a, which is equals to I. So okay, so guys, what's happening over here? So what I'm doing, I'm just saying like the, you know, scan the word and minus with a. So you know, when I'm minusing with a, so what will happen, I will get its index. So once I will get its index, I will check like where the index coming from. Let's say let's just take an example like this in HL, this HL. So it is our AB. So the H come as 0th index in which our A exists. The L come on the second index in which our B exists. That's what we are doing over here. So we are just putting this thing in our I. Okay, so we are just putting in our I, so it will help. So this thing will helps in giving a linear scan. Okay, guys, now what I will do, I will now my job is to compare the both words. Okay, and after I will compare the characters. Okay, so first of all I will work for their words. So I will say int I 0. So initially my I is pointing at 0 1, and I till less than words dot length. Okay, just say length I plus plus. Okay, now guys, what I will do, I will work for my j. So my j will point at I plus 1. So like my I is pointing at first character, my j is pointing at second one. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So int j will be I plus 1. Okay, so j will be less than word dot length, right, and j plus plus. Okay guys, now what I will do, my job is like to do over here. Let's say I have to calculate its minimum value first. Why minimum value? For example, like if you look at over here, I have something like in this one I have 5 characters, and in this one let's say I have 10 characters. I have 5 in this one, I have 10 in this one. So I will just go for the only 5 one, because like after, like if I go after the 5, then it will come my out of index, out of boundary. So I'm going out of boundary, so my code will fail, stack overflow will come. For that one I'm using this one, because you know, like when I'm using my, because when I'm checking my with my k character, the every element only go with the minimum element. Okay, so I will not go for the largest one. Okay, because like you know, if because of one element ends very earlier and the second one is still remaining, so why should I go for the second one? Just I will go for the minimum one. I hope so this thing is still like what I'm doing. If still not, don't worry, you will understand. Like just watch the code. Okay, int min will be our math dot min of what? Math dot min of words. I think it's words. Okay, s okay, math words I dot length comma words j dot length. So by this I will get my minimum one. So by this I will get my minimum minimum word length. Okay, so I will not go for the largest one because like to save my stack also. Okay, now guys, what I will do, I will run my for loop for k loop. So k will happen. So k will start pointing as one my I character and one k is pointing at my j character. So what I will do, I will say for int k is 0, k will go less than min because we don't want to go it till word or end, because it can be more, one word can be greater one and one word can be smaller one. That's what I'm doing. I hope so. Now it's clear like why I use min. Okay, k plus plus. Okay, now guys, what I will do, I will get their character. So I will select char I ch equals to words dot char at k. So this is words I, this is words of I, because you know, like I told you, one is pointing at my I1 and one k is pointing at my j1. That's what I'm doing. So char j ch equals to words of j dot char at k. Okay guys, I hope this thing is clear. Right, now what I will do, like the thing, like I'm just getting the character everywhere. Now my job is to compare their characters. So what I will do, I will say if, so I will say if my English alphabet in this one, I will say I ch minus a is less than my English alphabet j ch minus a. Okay guys, so what's happening over here? So I'm just checking one, like let's say in this one, if you look at over here in this one, so what I'm doing, I'm just checking this h with l. So I'm saying like, if is h coming before my l, is my ith coming before my jth? Yes, it says yes. So it means like it is sorted, because you know, like according to their language h come before l, so it means it is sorted. So what I will do, I will just say like, okay, now what you have to do, you just increment your j, go to j plus 1 and check for the another character. So I will just simply put break over here. Okay, so it will scan the another one, right? Okay, let me, I think this is okay. Now what I will do, I will create one else if condition. So my else if condition is like, it means like my jth character is bigger than my ith character. So for that, what will happen, I will just simply return false for that. So my in my English alphabet, if my I character minus a is greater than my English alphabet j character minus a, if that's the condition, then what I will do, my job is to simply return false for that. Okay, now what else? So let's say like if they both are same, so okay, so let's say if they both are same, okay, then what I will do, I will just simply scan. But let's say like, you know, if you check this last example, apple and app, so what happened, like my apple is bigger than my app. So till over here, till my p is okay, but after my p, if I scan this one, then it's scanning, it is comparing with the empty string with the blank character. So for that thing I don't want. If I find this one, then I will simply break it. So for that, what I will do, I will just create one else if condition. In my else if condition, I will say just go till my minimum minus 1. Just go till my minimum minus 1. Don't go till the like further on. Okay. So I'll say else if k is equals to min minus 1 is going over here, and what else? So it means like my words of I, my ith word is greater than my jth word. So that's the condition we will write as well. If I say my words of I dot length is greater than my words j dot length. Okay, so let me just make it a little bit more. Okay, so if that's the condition, then for that as well, I will simply return false. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Let me just make this parenthesis. Alright guys, okay, I hope this thing is clear now. Okay, I forgot to put this thing over here as well, because you know, compilation error really sucks, that's why. So we have to make sure we are dealing good. Alright guys, so now everything is okay. So till now we did everything. Okay, so what happened, like if it passed all the test cases, so if it passes all the test cases, then we come out and we simply return true for that. It means like they are lexicographically sorted, they are in the correct order, the alien languages understand correctly, because alien doesn't know binary language, they just know only English language. because like all the 1,000 languages, just know the English one. Okay, man. All right, never mind. So let me just run this code. Let's see. And yeah, here we go. So it's accepting. So it's accepting very well. Okay. So let me just give you a quick overview. Just quick overview, like what we just did till now. Right. So what we just did is we just create one English alphabet character, because like the in our English we have just only 26 alphabets. So the I just create is size till 26. What else? Then I will do, I just create one scan, so that the I will help us to get the order. So in which order the character is present. And in this one, I'm just saying like one is my point, my I is pointing in my word, and my another J is pointing my I plus one, the another word. Okay, that's what I'm doing. And over here, I'm just calculating the minimum word. So that let's say in this one, hello Leetcode, the hello is the minimum one. So I will just use to compare my 5 characters. So only I will go till hello. Okay, after the O, I'll just simply end my code. That's what I'm doing. So I'm using K for that. So I'm just taking out the characters for I and J, because my K is pointing to I and J. Okay, and I'm just comparing them. I'm just comparing them. If my ith character is smaller than my jth character, then what I will do, I will break it and I will go on the further one. I will scan to the further one. Okay, I'll see what will happen. My let's say in this one, my ith is greater than the jth. So jth is L. Okay, so you know, if in this one we are failing this one. So if that's the condition, my ith is greater than my jth, so it means like it is unsorted. It's not a sorted order. So my is not in my lexicographical order. So for that I will simply return false. Okay, else if what will happen, like I till app I just scan it, but after the app L is over here in my ith one, but the in my jth one there is an empty character. Okay, blank character. So for that what I will do, I just go till k equals to min minus 1, and I will check is this the condition true as well. So if both are true, then I will simply return false for that. Okay, and if it passes all the conditions, then I will simply return true for this. Okay, so it means we will just find it. So guys, let me just erase it, and let me just gonna submit this question. Let me just submit it. Let's see, it's accepting, is passing all the test cases or not. And here we go. So it's accepting all the test cases. Alright guys, so I hope this thing is clear. Now you will ask about the time complexity. In this one we are dealing with the time complexity we are dealing with in this one. Our time is like we are using n square into m. So n square means like we are just scanning every time, and you know, like we are comparing it with every time. So that's why time complexity is n square m. And you say that our space complexity is just constant. So because you know, like we are just using 26, so it's a big off one. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, like what the time and space complexity is. And ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say, if you still have any doubt, because I know this question is a little bit complicated, so it should be come into the medium one, but I don't know, they put in the easy one. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, if you still have any doubt, anything, just try to watch this video again. You will definitely gonna understand. And if you still don't understand anything, just do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely gonna list you. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, I love you. Bye bye.